Welcome to Michigan Outlaws. It's New Year's. We got the side-by-sides out because there's no snow. Enough to ride at least on sleds. So we're gonna do a little cold start here.
See how it starts up after being out.
Oh,
No problem. That's why you get yourself a Pro XP.
easy.
Easy money.
I think the battery on mine's dying because
His was a little bit rough.
it was very rough. You can't do that.
I did.
Are we on camera?
Yeah.
What do I do with my hands?
It is New Year's and we are out riding and I am surrounded by side-by-sides.
Oh man.
Rounded.
Surrounded.
Last year, New Year's, we had the snowmobiles out. This year, New Year's, we have about half an inch of snow.
Just enough to cover the ground.
The roads are icy though, so it's kind of fun riding around, but
Yeah, we took a little ride last night. Had a bunch of fun. Caleb almost got stuck. It was great.
yeah.
He got mud all over it. But you know, he made it out, so it's all good.
Yeah.
Jake's doing some last minute fixes on his. Just don't look at the damage.
Upgrades.
Upgrades, that's what I mean.
Kemimoto door bags.
Ooh.
Courtesy.
Link in the description. Go check them out. They're great products.
Courtesy of Christmas.
Christmas? Her name's Christmas?
It is
Christmas. All right. Also, this thing is pretty dirty because on our ride last night, I sprayed a bunch of dirt at him. And got in his driver's seat and on his hood.
I even cleaned off the hood a little bit and it's still dirty.
Yes.
It's all in his front grill, and
It's very unfortunate, but we were having fun.
Luckily, I have these new Kemimoto gloves
Oh my goodness.
that we are going to show off today.
Uh-oh.
And it's got this giant brass knuckles, so there's going to be some teeth falling out today.
All right. We'll show off Caleb's little pack out here.
Oh yeah. Got a nice new
Another Christmas present.
another Christmas present. Yeah. The
There we
just
go.
we gotta work it.
A little cold.
Yeah. So you got any Milwaukee Packout fits right in there.
Yeah.
Snaps in a nice AJK off-road. Not sure if that's how you say it or not, but that's how I'm saying it.
How it's spelled.
Exactly.
It works really nice though.
Just clip it in and
Yeah.
you're good to go.
Just clips in, doesn't come out,
No.
and it handles quite a bit because you know you're giving it to her.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and then we can stack whatever else. Maybe get a cooler or
Yeah.
a radio up there. So
Just keep stacking until it goes all the way to the tree.
exactly. I'm pretty excited about that. I've been needing to get a little storage bin for a while, and I
Yeah.
love Milwaukee. So
That is
I
really
thought,
nice.
This is perfect.
So now we got that one, and we got the one in Chris's. Don't have anything in mind, but I think I'm gonna get one for the beta here. Helps out a lot.
Oh yeah.
All right, we are gonna go fix getting Jake's door bags on here, and then we're gonna go to the gas station, fill up, and go for a ride.
cold face. Yes, I do. Well, I got a cold face. How about you?
It's only like 25. It's not that cold.
It's fine.
We've-
It's a little chilly.
We've made it to Pine Lake. We're at now.
We got ice.
We do.
It's not slippery though.
We do have ice. It's a little slippery. And we got all the machines. Oh, it's cracking. It's cracking. All the machines back there. And we got beavers over here. Unbelievable.
Beaver action.
Causing a ruckus. Well, we're on our way to the fire tower, about halfway there now.
Oh yeah, you guys have seen us there before with the snowmobiles. Got some sweet drone footage. Did not bring the drone today though.
No.
So we'll just get some footage from the ground.
Oh yeah.
It's a sweet place to go, sweet trail to ride.
Yeah.
It's a little chilly right now, but we're making it.
It's not too bad when you're riding.
Yeah, really just as soon as we stopped, and then the wind coming off of this lake has been
Right.
pretty bad.
Yeah.
Chris, you're gonna fall.
All right, let's hit it.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone. No more games. Can we just say his name instead of running away and jumping?
Well guys, 1 year ago today, 365 days ago, we were at this exact spot again. This time we have the side-by-side as you saw earlier, but look, it's the fire tower. We made it again.
It's almost like they've never seen it before.
Almost.
Although we did come here at night one time and tried to show it off, and it was just this black picture.
That's true, that was last year.
Yeah, it was
We
pretty cool though.
apologize for that one.
It was pretty cool.
Except for one you took. With the
Wow.
the night mode.
Oh yeah.
We did get that cool picture.
That was
That was
really
2
cool
years
picture.
I
ago.
don't think you guys seen
Really?
that one, but it's cool.
That would have been 2 years ago.
It's on our Instagram at Michigan Outlaws.
Check it out. Link in description.
Get yourself some sweet gear too while you're at it.
Who's got a shirt?
I don't.
Well, you
Cam's
really
got a,
worked
neck
on
gator.
This, so.
Cam does have a neck gator.
Can you see it?
No,
we can
that's
see the blue. It says Michigan Outlaws on it. That's cool. You should go pick one up.
And subscribe. And hit the like. Just do it. I know you want to.
Do all the fun stuff to you subscribers. No, YouTubers telling you to do.
Yeah.
All right, what's our plan now?
This thing is sketchy.
Very.
Like, there's just random stuff like this hanging all around
I
it.
think that's like ground.
And then you got this thing that's just dangling. And then, of course, all the barbed wire to keep all the people off of it.
Hooligans.
But, yeah, I was just looking from the bottom here. You can see there's so many planks that are missing.
And broken, yeah, they're just gone.
And
Way up at the top there. A little sketchy.
it'd be a sketchy climb for sure.
All right, Caleb, where are we off to next?
I believe we are off to a good place called Club 37.
Ooh, lunchtime.
Yeah, we're gonna
Lunchtime.
swing down there, get some lunch, and then
Even though it's already like 3.
swing down there, get some dinner, and then hit some more
257.
trails.
250. I'm so good at guessing, but not good enough because I didn't get it on.
You suck!
Yeah, let's go get it.
We're gonna go right there right now. Let's go.
Let's go get lunch.